Hi, today I've heard of me Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should select the screen where we want to add the widget, and just to add it we should hold for a while the screen with the finger and then tap here to the widgets icon. After that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. Here we can see each of the application, how many widgets the app has. For example, the clock application has 5 different types of the widgets, so you can add one from them. For example, let's just check all of the applications. Here we can see 2 widgets, the 5, just Gmail app has only 1 widget and 1 shortcut. So let's use the calendar widget. We can add here the full month view or just the shadow. Just to add the widget to the home screen, we should hold it and just drag it to the home screen. Just to resize it, we should hold it, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's all simple. Just to move it here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold the widget and drag it to the left or to the right side of the bottom, or so we can just create the new screens with the widgets. And just to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. That's how to add or remove widgets on our Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.